Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel How to My Apps. You may be wondering what is Thread, an Instagram app. So now you might have seen some new article recently that Meta, the owner of Facebook Instagram, has released a new app called Thread. Essentially, this is a competition for Meta over to Twitter, so they are competing with Twitter. Let's go over to this. Basically, Twitter was bought by Elon Musk maybe about a year ago, and you can see Twitter value since he bought it is about a third of the initial $44 billion. So that he bought it for. This is Meta viewing. This is an opportunity to push their way into another social media type platform, and their solution is called Thread. So it's a Thread Meta Twitter competition is now live. Basically, what this does is act and feel similar to Twitter. But the cool thing is that Meta has used all of the user base for Instagram, so it can use it for Thread. So if you hop to the app here, yeah, open your App Store or Google Play Store. All you have to do is search for Thread here, and it's a Thread and Instagram app. So you can tap on Thread. Now the thing here is it say that on you can keep your Instagram username, Instagram profile. You can find all of the people that you follow on Instagram and then follow their exact same account on Thread. As well as what they are trying is they are trying to use the same user base on Instagram that they are already grown to billion of users, and basically push them over to Thread to jump start the start of this app, so that other people will join it quickly and it can quickly overtake Twitter. So you can see on here it's look like Twitter. Basically you can know have a little short sentences about what you are trying to do or your thoughts. It's a connect our conversation, and then you can share your point of view. Of course you can still post photos and such stuff like that. So the whole look and feel of it is a lot more conversation. Basically you are going to type some things and people can respond to it, comment to it, and share other posts, all of that stuff. Hope this help you. If you have any question, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you.